Have you ever felt like you are drowning in deadlines, unsure where your research is even going? You are not alone. Research is tough, overwhelming, and let's be honest, sometimes it feels impossible. But what if I told you that with the right guidance, you can not only survive your academic journey, but actually thrive and make an impact? That's why I created this video series to give you clarity, confidence, and a step by step roadmap for your MS or PhD research. I am Saiful Islam, a PhD scholar and lecturer at FAST National University, and I am here to help you demystify the research process, overcome the challenges, and finally take control of your research journey. Whether you are just starting out or feeling stuck, this series will guide you every step of the way. Let's start by understanding what academic research actually means. A research is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to answer a question or solve a problem. This could happen in business, industry, or academia. For example, when a company studies consumer behavior to improve the sales, that's research. Academic research happens specifically in the educational institutions with the goal of expanding knowledge, developing theories, and generating new insights that contribute to a specific field. This research often addresses real world challenges from public health and agriculture to technology and computing. Whether you are in computer science, engineering, or social sciences, your academic research adds valuable knowledge locally and globally and often results in publications or thesis work. Academic research includes MS thesis, PhD thesis, or research paper. MS thesis focuses on a specific, manageable research problem, applying known methods to generate new insights, often more application driven. PhD thesis aims at deeper, more original contribution to knowledge, often including theory development, innovative methods, and broader impacts. A research paper is a concise publication reporting the original research findings, often driven from MS or PhD work, intended for a peer review and publication in journals. But why does academic research matter? It enables you to contribute original ideas and real world solutions, like developing a smarter software, improving health technologies, or addressing energy issues. It sharpens your critical thinking, analysis, and problem solving skills, essential for your future career. It enhances your academic visibility, reputation, and opens door for collaboration and advanced opportunities. Most importantly, it transforms your role from a learner to a knowledge creator, making your academic journey truly meaningful. Before we wrap up, here is what's coming next in this series: Introduction to Academic Research, where you will learn how to understand the foundations of research and its purpose, literature review, and problem identification, where you will discover how to find research gaps and find a strong problem statement, research proposal writing, where you will learn how to craft a well structured and compelling proposal, research methodology, where you will understand how to choose the right approach and methods for your research, tools and technologies, where you will explore the essential tools and software to support your research work, writing and publishing, where you will learn how to turn your research into a paper that gets noticed and published, ethics, plagiarism, and citations, where you will understand how to maintain integrity and credibility in your academic writing. We will also cover soft skills like time management, handling feedback, and staying motivated when the roads get tough. So, if you are ready to stop feeling stuck and start making real progress, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. In the next video, we will talk about choosing the right research domain, a critical first step in your journey. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's embark on this journey together. See you in the next video.